now we've talked about some ways we can use the oils. We've talked about the fact that Young Living sets the standard for purity and quality for, chemical-free products. And maybe you're starting to say, you know what, I think I'd like to get some chemicals out of my home. And instead of using plug-in fragrances and, cleaners that have who knows what in them, maybe I want to do some more natural things for my family. Well, good on you. So what I like to share is the good, better, best model. The good, better, best model is basically save a lot or save nothing. So the good is at least getting some good, clean products into your home and reducing the amount of chemicals that your family's exposed to. So that would be by buying whatever product you're interested in as a retail customer. With Young Living, they don't have stores. It's just word of mouth. It is network marketing. So it is as you share with a family member or a friend, you will eventually buy from your family member or friend. If you have nobody that you are working with and you are interested in trying some products, I'm more than happy to help educate you and all of that. I will put my member link here in the comments for this video down there. So click there if you're interested in ordering something, and I'm more than happy to help you through the process. But please also, if you are working with somebody or someone shared this video with you, please work with them. This is a relationship business. It is not something that you should just be like, well, whatever. Because guess what? If you end up having issues with your body at some point or emotions or whatever, it's nice to talk that out with a friend and see what they would suggest. So that's why I always do that with my members, is to kind of help them target things. And so I like to do that by building that relationship. So I always give that caveat is if you've got nobody that you have a relationship with and you're really interested in trying the products, I'm happy to help you and we'll build that relationship. So there you go. So good is getting these products into your home. Let's say you want to just try one thing one time. No problem. You can order as a retail customer. Click the link below if you don't have anyone you're working with, and then just go through and pick whatever product you want from the catalog. The downside of that method is you won't save any money. You will just place your order, you get a package, no different than if you order something from Amazon or any store online. But Young Living loves to sweeten the deal, and that's where we're going to move into our better column. So better would be by getting a basic starter kit. So basic starter kit just has a couple of little samples, like some Ningxia Red, Thieves on the Go spray, some, Thieves hand sanitizer. It's about $35, and it gets you a membership that lasts for 1 year. So the membership comes with a starter kit. Then you can try some samples to see what you like. Stress away. That will be your new BFF. Roll it on like perfume and have the stress melt away. But you will now save 24% as a wholesale member off of any future purchase for the next year. Young Living doesn't make you buy a membership year after year. All you have to do to keep that membership current is spend $50 per year, 50 PV. So as long as your item is full PV, most everything is. There are a few things that are not, so just pay attention. If it says a dollar amount and then the dollar amount matches the little PV thing next to it, then it's full PV. So there you go. But as long as you spend 50 PV, so $50 in a year, you keep that membership, you keep saving 24% on any product you order. So next, best is pick a premium starter kit. Why? Because just like anytime you buy something in bulk, it is heavily discounted. Young Living is no different. So with this, I'm about to start breaking down the premium starter kits with you. I'll go into what all of those items do and what comes in each starter kit in future videos. We're gonna look at cost in this video and how many dollars you get to keep instead of spend. That's my favorite thing. So first, let's just start kind of rolling down the line. And we're gonna start with the Welcome Home Starter Kit. This is actually new. They just made this, I think it's somewhat permanent. Right now I am filming this in August of 2020. The starter kits have kind of been fluctuating because product orders have gone through the roof lately. And so they've been kind of changing things little by little. But the Welcome Home Starter Kit comes with everything you see in this picture, okay? And so it's got Valor, frankincense, peppermint and lavender, all in 5 milliliter bottles. And then it also has tangerine, lime, lemon, and grapefruit, 15 milliliter bottles. So those are the big ones. It does not come with a diffuser. So if you don't have a diffuser, hang tight. There will be another package that might interest you more. But you can see here, still significant savings. So we're gonna be looking at how much you can save by getting whichever starter kit you're interested in, and you'll see the cost breakdown and the savings of each. So the next starter kit we'll look at real quick is the CBD Starter Kit. Now there is both a regular and an extra strength. The regular starter kit is $165 and the extra strength is $250. So it's double the strength of CBD in each of the items in the kit. In both CBD starter kits, you will have a Calm roll-on, you will have a CBD muscle rub, and a citrus CBD oil. The only difference, like I said, is the strength. So what I always recommend is if you are somebody who has never tried CBD, start with the regular strength. You don't need to go all extra. Don't do it. Start off low. You can always grow from there, but start off lower, try it, and then see if you need something stronger later. Guess what? You still get your Young Living membership. So if you want to try other Nature's Ultra CBD products, you still get that 24% discount for ordering anything in the future. Good on ya. So we have the prices here. Here is your savings for the regular CBD kit. And then here is your savings for the extra strength CBD premium starter kit. So both of those, I'm happy to have that much money back in my bank account. How about you? Next, we have the Thieves Premium Starter Kit. So this one comes with 2 bottles of Thieves Household Cleaner. 1 capful makes a 16-ounce bottle, and you can make about 60 16-ounce bottles, say that 3 times fast, per bottle of household cleaners. It's 120 bottles of cleaner. I can clean my whole house with 1 bottle of cleaner because it's kind of a use-all spray. So that's really awesome. Comes with, 2 foaming hand soaps. It also comes with hand sanitizer, on-the-go sprays, 2 of those. Comes with a Thieves Aroma Bright toothpaste, Thieves mouthwash, all sorts of great stuff in this kit, but check out these savings. I know, right? The grocery store is not handing you back that much money whenever you go and buy your toothpaste and cleaning products. So food for thought. Next, we're going to move on to Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is exclusive to Young Living. You cannot buy it anywhere else. So Ningxia is actually, it's from the Ningxia wolfberry. Another species very similar is called the Goji Berry. You've probably heard of that, but it is one of the highest antioxidant-rich foods that we have, that God made. So what Young Living did was puree that down and add other antioxidant-rich juices to make a wellness puree shot that you can take every day that helps increase your longevity and vitality, slightly boosts your energy. It helps control blood sugar levels. So one thing I love about Ningxia is it helps me to, with those sweets cravings in the afternoon. In the Ningxia kit, there's also Ningxia Nitro, which is a healthy energy boosting shot. So there's that. But check out Ningxia Red Premium Starter Kit savings. That's also a nice little chunk of change, right? Okay, and then for the grand finale, I'm gonna show you the savings on the Young Living Essential Oil Premium Starter Kit. So this is the one that's most commonly bought, and when you see the savings, you will see why. But it comes with 12 essential oils, a diffuser, a couple of roller fitments so that you can turn those roller bottles into roll-ons instead of just dropping the oil out. It comes with a Thieves hand sanitizer and a Thieves on-the-go spray, and then the base diffusers that are included with the same cost of the kit. For $165, you can get the Desert Mist diffuser or the Dewdrop diffuser. Now, check out the savings for this kit. Bang! Oh my goodness, right? I mean, you can see why so many people go with this kit. That is huge. So, Those are the premium starter kits. To me, that is the best way to get started with Young Living, because when you grab one of those premium starter kits, you not only save all that money, but then every future purchase that you make, you're already a member. You don't have to buy a membership separately. So now you save 24% on every single order you place. And as long as you spend 50 PV in a year, you've kept that membership. So not too shabby. And we're gonna go in some future videos here and start breaking down each individual starter kit, and I'll give you some tips and tricks.